Let's do the very clumsy click beetle activities inspired by Eric Carle's book. Watch until the end to make your own click beetle with me. Let's go! Hello Cubs, I'm Mr Albie. Hey, what's that sound? There's something underneath this cushion. It's a click beetle, but he's upside down. We gotta turn him upright. Silly click beetle. It's a clumsy one too, isn't it? Now it's got a green body, 2 eyes, 1, 2, and it's got, under here, how many legs?
6.
6 legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, this very clumsy click beetle actually has its own book. Let me get the book. Here it is, click beetle. Huh? It's upside down again. Silly click beetle. Let me turn you back onto your feet. So clumsy. Now this book, The Very Clumsy Click Beetle, is about a baby click beetle who climbs up a tree and then falls down on its back. It can't get back onto its feet. And so it gets help from a wise old click beetle who teaches it how to flip onto its legs. The clumsy click beetle tries to flip and fails so many times. It keeps trying. Till one day it sees a human and it gets scared. So it gets motivated to flip 3 times in the air and finally it lands on its feet. Wow, what a great story. Isn't that right, click beetle? Huh? It's so clumsy. It sure needs a lot of practice. Do you want to help? Yeah, let's help this clumsy click beetle. The clumsy click beetle doesn't know how to flip back onto its legs. And so we've brought it here to this click beetle nursery where these baby click beetles are going to teach us how to flip back onto our legs. Let's show the click beetle how to do it. Come on. See how you do it, click beetle? Huh? Click beetle? We gotta get you to flip back. Let's explore the long grass and practice together. Click beetle can stay here. Now, you and me, we can be click beetles. And remember to click like this. Click, 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 click. Flip! Click, 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 click. Flip! Click, 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 flip. Click, 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 flip. Click, 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 flip. Now it's your turn, click beetle. We believe in you. Go for it. Click, 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 flip. Click, 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 flip. Whoa. Click, 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 flip. Woo! Keep going and keep practicing, click beetle. Click, 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 flip. Click, 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 flip. One more time. Click, 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 flip. Whoa! Wowza! Whoa, what a flip! Well done, click beetle. Now it's time to say goodbye to this clumsy click beetle.
I'll miss you, click beetle.
Oh, you're going to miss this click beetle? No worries. Let's learn how to make our very own click beetle so you can have one yourself. If you want to make your own clumsy click beetle, you will need white paper, a pencil, some colored markers, arts and crafts glue. With a brush, you might need it. scissors. Be careful with those. Pegs or clothespins. Some crepe paper. And just for fun, googly eyes. First, take your white paper and one of the pegs or clothespins. Put the peg on the paper and mark it with a pencil. We'll draw an oval that is twice as big as the peg, like this. Next, get a black marker to trace over your oval so you can see it a lot clearer. Coverific! Now let's do it again with our other piece of paper. Ooh, now let's draw a curved line right here. The curved line is used to show the head of the click beetle. Now let's use this colored crepe paper to color in this clumsy click beetle. We'll start off with green for the body. And what we're gonna do is have a lot of fun tearing up pieces of the crepe paper. And what we'll do is we'll mix the colors, the shades of green. We'll use some light green and also some dark green. Tearing it up, pieces like this. Now let's stick our crepe paper onto the clumsy click beetle's body. Add one there, another one there, another one here, and another one there. Ooh. Just put it anywhere that you feel would be a good place to put it. Oh, be a lot of fun. I really like doing this art technique because it's like what Eric Carle did in his books. Eric Carle is the artist and author of the very clumsy Click Beetle book. Sometimes you might need to add more glue so that it sticks. Next, we want to tear up crepe paper for the head of the click beetle. We'll use dark blue and light blue. I think that'll do. The head's not as big as the body, so we'll start off adding some glue to the head. Oh, not too much. And we'll spread it out using our brush. Oh yeah, that's about right. Start pasting them on. You'll want to make sure to add your blue crepe paper only within the area of the head of the click beetle. You don't want to go past this line. We'll add one more just right here, and that should do it. We've got the head and the body of the click beetle, but what's missing? Right, it needs some eyes. Firstly, we'll use the light green crepe paper, use our marker and draw some circles. Now, you'll need to draw 2 smaller circles onto the dark green crepe paper. Ooh. Next, you'll need your scissors. Now, if you're a young little cub, you might need help from an adult, so you might ask for help. But use scissors to cut out the circles, like this. Let's cut the smaller, dark green circles. It'll be tricky cutting these little circles. You might need practice or ask for help. Next, you want to glue on the dark green circles in the middle of the light green ones. Ooh. Well, that's nice. Wowza. Look at that. I'm a clumsy click beetle. Next, glue these eyes onto the head. The other one there. Ooh, yeah, right. Wowza, look at our beautiful click beetle using the art technique of Mr. Eric Carl. Now, we'll set this aside so the glue can dry. While we wait for the glue to dry, let's work on our second click beetle, and this time, let's use colored markers. That's great, just in case you don't have crepe paper yourself. Now, what colors can we use for this click beetle?
Pink and purple.
Pink and purple? Oh, that's kooky and crazy. I like it.
Red.
Oh,
Green.
some of you want
Blue.
the rainbow colors?
Yeah, rainbow.
All the colors? Oh, that's great. I think we can use all of them for the body and pink and purple for the head. How's that sound?
Yay!
Ah, terrific, let's go. Let's start with the pink and purple head, and we'll use different kinds of lines. Let's start with straight lines with pink. Now let's add some zigzag lines with purple. I found this dark purple, and now we can do some squiggly, swirly lines. Let's color it in. Let's add some dots all around. Now let's work on the body, and with your click beetle, you can use whatever colors and shapes and patterns you want. You can draw triangles and color them in blue. You can draw big triangles or small ones. You can use brown to draw circles and color them in. What about red? You can draw red rectangles all around, big ones and small ones. You can have yellow squares and green pentagons. You can even use orange, and you can draw orange stars, and then blue ovals. Now you can use pink and purple again to color in and decorate the leftover white spaces. That was fun! You know what's funnier? Giggly eyes! Let's add a big one and a small one. We'll add them here using our glue. Hello, Cookie Click Beetle. Now, we need to cut out the outline of this Click Beetle and our other one to continue on making our clumsy Click Beetles. Now let's cut out our other one. You want to flip over your Click Beetle and then we'll use some glue to stick our peg or clothespin onto the back of it. Do the same with this Click Beetle, flip it over and use some glue to stick on the peg or clothespin. You want to hold it down for a few seconds and then leave it to dry. Now that our Click Beetles are dry, let's play with them and do a click and flip test. This is how you play with your Click Beetle. You need to put your Click Beetle down and then press down quickly onto the back of your Click Beetle so you can click and flip. Just like that. Whoa, yeah! Oh, yeah! I wonder where else they can click and flip. Down the stairs! Click, 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 flip! Oh! Click, 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 flip! Oh! Wowza! Just like in the very clumsy Click Beetle book, these Click Beetles will climb up the tree and they will click, 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 flip! Wow! Oh yeah! Yeah! Terrific! Just like the clumsy Click Beetle, sometimes things will get tough, but you gotta get back up and click, 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 flip!